Hello everyone and once again welcome back. News headlines in English to present in the school morning assembly of 19th July. And first of all, national news. Bihar SIR Election Commission said 94.68% of total enumeration forms collected so far. Jharkhand High Court summoned Chief Secretary for failing to conduct municipal elections. Madhya Pradesh flood-like situation in many villages due to heavy rainfall. Maharashtra cancelled licenses of 258 private hospitals for violations. Punjab Governor Kataria urged better air connectivity from Chandigarh Airport. Jammu tops Swachh Sarvekshan 2024 in Jammu and Kashmir. Now some international news. EU approved new Russia sanction package including new oil price cap. Sri Lanka Repetia solar plant expected to generate 10 gigawatt of clean energy annually. Bangladesh Gopalganj curfew to continue until further order. UAE and WHO completed the major health assessment phase in Yemen's Socotra Island. Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan inked trilateral rail agreement to connect region via Kabul and Logar. Now some sports news. Ranking series wrestling Asian under 23 champion Sujit Kalkal secured gold. Team India resumed training after a 2-day break. India women versus England women ODI series. Dominant India look to seal series against England. India's Arjun Erigesi entered freestyle Grand Slam chess semi-finals. R. Pragnananda lost thriller. News related to business. Oil prices high due to new European Union sanctions against Russia. India needs to be careful, clever while negotiating trade pact with the US. Raghuram Rajan. Adani Group sold a 20% stake in Adani Wilmar for 7,150 crore rupees. And that's all in news. Thank you.